Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18 version on Windows 10, 11 or servers. First go to PostgreSQL official website and download. It is postgresql.org. See here, at the time of installation, the latest release is PostgreSQL 18. Click on download or click on this download button, both are same. Then click on Windows, then click on download the installer. Then see here we have the versions from 13 to 18. Under Windows x86 64-bit, click on this download button. No need to register. See, download started. Go to download. See here, its size is 355 megabytes. Wait until download completes. I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then click on this PostgreSQL 18.0 exe file. Click on next. See, this is the installation directory. If you want some other directory, click on browse and select the path. I'm okay with the default one, so click on next. Now select the component. See here we have the PostgreSQL Server, pgAdmin 4, stack builder, command line tools. If you click on this one, it provides purpose of these components. Okay, I want to install all, so select all and click on next. This is the data directory. If you want some other, click on this browse button. Then click on next. Now set the password for the database super user, that is Postgres. Remember this password. Later we need this password to log in to PostgreSQL Server. See, default port for PostgreSQL Server is 5432. Click on next. This is cluster local setting. I'm going with the defaults. So click on next. See, this is a free installation summary. If you are okay with all the settings, click on next. Or if you want to modify any one of these settings, click on back and you can edit. I'm okay with all the settings, then click on next. Ready to install, click on next. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I'm going to pause this video. See, setup has finished installing PostgreSQL on your computer and launch the stack builder at exit. I don't want, so unselect it. If you want to launch stack builder later, go to start, all applications, then go to PostgreSQL folder. There we will find stack builder. See here we have the PostgreSQL 18 folder. Under this, see here we have the PostgreSQL stack builder and remaining applications. Okay. Go to setup wizard and select it and click on finish. We have successfully installed. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. First we will connect PostgreSQL from the PSQL client, then we will connect from the pgAdmin. Click on this SQL shell, that is PSQL shell. Server name is localhost because PostgreSQL Server is installed on this one. It entered default database is Postgres, port number 5432, username Postgres, then provide the password that we have set for this Postgres, which is super user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected. This is PSQL client version, not PostgreSQL Server version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL Server, we have to run the command select version. See here we have installed PostgreSQL Server 18.0. Now verify the list of the databases. \l. See, these are the default databases, or we can get the list of the databases by running select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the default databases. If you want to verify list of users, \du, or you can run the select username from pg_user. If you want to create database, create database. Now verify the same. See, new database bank is created and this is the one of the database. These are the other database settings. Okay. Now switch to this database by using \c or connect, then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user PostgreSQL. Now verify list of tables. See, you don't have any tables because this is the fresh database. Let us create table. See, we have created table in public schema, and this is the one of the table. Let us insert some data into this table. It is type of table name is not customer, it is custom. Insert one more record. Now verify the data. See, you have inserted these rows. Let us create user. Create user. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now we will connect PostgreSQL server with this new user. Open again PSQL shell. Server name is same, database name, port number same. Here username is David. Then provide the password that we have set. Here password is, this is the password. Okay, so provide the password. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have successfully logged into the PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. Now try to run the query against the table that we have created in this database. See, permission needed for table customer, because we have created table but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Open pgAdmin. Now right click on the servers, register, then select server, then provide name pg18. Name can be anything. In connection tab, give localhost or IP of the machine, then maintenance database Postgres, username also same, then provide the password of this user. Whatever you have given for this Postgres user, you can give, or you can give the David. You can't save. See, we have successfully connected. Right click. See, I have database bank. Right click on it, then select query tool, then verify, select version. Select the query and click on this execute button. See, we got the same PostgreSQL 18.0. Okay, if you want to create database, right click on databases, then select create, then select database, then provide all these details. Okay, and if you want to see the logins or group roles, see here we have created user David. This is the way to connect. The last option is go to services.msc, then press P. See, here we have the PostgreSQL 18 version and its status is running. If you want to stop the service, right click, select stop, or just select the service here and click on stop, or click on the stop button. If you want to restart, select this restart link or click on this restart button, or right click and select the restart. All three options are same. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18 version on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.